Bam! The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video. Right now we're doing XRP down minus 0.75%. This daily candle is of course in red, and we're gonna see if this is actually bullish or bearish, or what's actually happening with XRP, and how we are gonna what's gonna happen. Yeah, enough of chit chat. Let's get into the charts. As always, make my face smaller, charts bigger, and see what's actually happening with XRP. So the first line you should be aware of is this here line, this falling diagonal line. All right, that's a line of resistance, because you see we can go in small time frames up over here and turn off some moving averages. And you can see clearly here that it's been resisting the line for a long time, right? Even after it hit the top, like it was getting up there, it was all the time trying to break the line, and even now it's trying to break it, and it's kind of getting rejected. You gotta admit that it's kind of getting rejected right over here. Whether it's gonna be full rejection or not, it depends to see. So yeah, we are definitely looking at this action over here. What's going on? Not only on XRP are we looking on action, we are also looking at Bitcoin, and looking what Bitcoin is gonna do, because Bitcoin is kind of moving the entire market right now. And today some people at Telegram group have been asking, hey man, what do you think about Bitcoin today? And I said, like, no, there was one guy said, should we stress about Bitcoin today, or are we fine? And I said stress. So I don't think the Bitcoin is fine today, so it might just do the thing it does, you know. But that said, we are kind of getting rejection here, and that's to be noted. That said, once we actually break this level over here, it's party time. Once you break it, it's party time. I'm not saying we're gonna go to the moon right after that, but you can party because you have broken this downtrend. So right now we have this downtrend going on, right? But once you break it out here, you are no longer going downtrend. You're kind of changing direction, and now you're mostly likely going sideways or a little bit up. So we are waiting for this breakout to be bullish on XRP, but when this breakout is gonna come, it little depends. The good thing here that we had some kind of a lower high. That means that this might actually stop over here. So this also looks like some kind of double bottom. But right now this thing over here, it's kind of stopping us at the moment. So there is some kind of triangle going on here. Maybe something like this, give or take. Yeah. Probably something like this, and then you got this lower bar over here, maybe something like this over here. So it looks like some kind of triangle or something like that. So if we start breaking the triangle on the downside, you'll probably know, because Bitcoin will probably do the same thing. And then we are gonna look for some kind of supports down here, and we're gonna look also where these supports are. So that said, right now getting rejected from the diagonal line that's going all the way up there, right? And we are in some kind of triangle maybe, and we're gonna see. But this line down here is also important to notice. This line down here, it is acting as some kind of support line. Will it actually give us decent support or not? It kind of depends. Maybe it goes all the way something like this down here, because it's these weeks down here. Maybe it's in the ballpark area. There is no airside divergence. This is the 4-hourly chart. On the daily chart there, we don't have that much right now, but on the daily chart you can see here that this MACD thing, it's bearish. We had something called bearish MACD cross, and this is bearish. It's kind of going down a little bit downwards, but it doesn't have to mean that much. It's daily chart. We are in the bull market. The problem is only that the Bitcoin is kind of having some kind of pullback. Besides that, looks nice. Also on the weekly, we are not in some kind of overbought levels like we were here. We here like 86, but right now we are sitting at 70 levels. So even on the weekly chart, we are not in any overbought levels. Even if we pull up moving averages, it looks like we are extended from the 10 moving average over here, which should indicate that we might actually have some kind of pullback. But considering that our rubber band index, you know, this thing over here, it's not some kind of 90 levels, I don't see that happening. I think this has still room to grow. And the very good nice thing on the daily chart is that we are above this this red line, that's the 20 moving average. So that's right now giving us support. So yes, we have not broken this line of resistance, but as you can see already here that we have not broken the 20 moving average. So we are not going neither down and neither up. We are going in some kind of ending triangle over here. What's going to actually happen? It really depends, but the bullish scenario is when we break the 20 moving average and close here, and the bearish is if we close on the downside below the 50 moving average. So basically we don't want to close below these levels down here, below the 1.25 right now. That would be bearish. Like, I mean, sure, you can close there and survive because you got this support down here at 1.09 down here, right? So you can go down to this level and stuff, but why should we do that? Why can we just break the resistance and just move? Huh? Just go straight up. I'm thinking that would be the best case scenario, right? Straight up. On the 4 hourly, we are actually sitting above the 10-20 moving average and hitting the resistance. So this is actually quite bullish. Well, it's not bullish, but it's better than if we if you had been below the 10 and 20 moving average. I'm not looking at the blue line or the yellow line. Those are a little faster. This is a 50 moving average and 100 moving average, but the 10 and 20. So what I'm thinking right now, if we're gonna break this over here, we're gonna break it while we are above the 10 and 20 moving average. So this is the 4 hourly charts right now, 2 hours left, so 2, 4, 6. During today we have to break. I think we have to break during today, because if we don't do that, we're gonna fall below the moving averages, because one of these things has to give, right? So the moving averages are going like this, right? And then you have this diagonal line as a resistance. So this is resistance, the moving averages are support. So on these candles over here, something got give. You either go up or you go down. So there has to be some decision right over here that's gonna happen and decide whether we're gonna go up and whether we're gonna go down, right? But if you go down, it's kind of bearish. We can still create some kind of another bottom down here, right? Because this is the line of also there's also some kind of resistance here. Also this bottom over here is creating some kind of a support, so we might actually get it down there. But why do we want to go there when we can just go up? Huh? Why do we want to go down there? We don't. So either way, it can go up, it can go down. We are sitting at resistance now, and there's a saying, you know, don't buy resistance, buy support. That's why people always wait till we break the resistance and then test it as support and then buy the support and then go up, right? So there's something with that. So where the resistance is and where the support is, a little bit difficult to tell. But right now, this is the thing to watch for. This is the thing. This is on the 4 hourly. We want to stay above the red line and the white line being the 10, red line being the 20. As long as we can do that, like, I think there is a chance we can go up. I think there is a chance we can go up, but of course, you know, we have to watch Bitcoin, and if Bitcoin starts to go down, it's gonna pull the entire market down. Right now, everything is like 0% give or take, so the market is kind of undecisive what Bitcoin is gonna do. But you're gonna see, like yesterday there was this thing where Bitcoin crossed like 20 MA on a 4 hourly chart, and you could see even before that the market was really booming with the greens, like +5, +10%, and later that changed and the market calmed down. But right now I think market is just undecisive, don't know what's actually there. The charts are, the 4 hourly chart looks nice. On the daily charts we are looking nice beside the MACD, but MACD can change really quick, so I won't consider it any big deal. And we are sitting above the 20 moving average, so we are not pumping on the 10 moving average, but we are sitting on the 10, 20, and 20 is really nice upward trend, so no problem there. It's only this resistance line, and as soon as we break the resistance line, it's gonna be party time. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to the channel, check out the links below. There is a Patreon link, there is a Telegram link, you know, a bunch of nice people in Telegram. Join the Telegram, and on Patreon we do all kind of altcoins. If that's your thing, join that. Thanks for watching, guys. See you again tomorrow on XRP. Bye bye.